Hello guys, something happened and your purchase cannot be completed. Microsoft error code 0x87E10BD0 in Windows 11 and 10, and to fix this issue simply go to Windows search, type email and open email app. Here click on add a new Microsoft account and enter your credential and log in with new user account and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next fixes is recreate AU install agent folder. Press bin plus R shortcut key to open run command box. I here execute this command %bin direct %, and here look for AU install agent folder. If you not able to find the AU install agent folder, then right click on any blank space in this folder and choose new and create a new folder and rename this. Click on continue if a pop-up window appear, and rename this folder as AU install agent. After that, restart your system and check your error is resolved or not. Go to the next fixes, reset Windows Store caches. Open run command box, type wsreact.exe and press in OK button. Microsoft Store, wait for the operation to complete for the Windows Store to open. Check if the error is resolved by downloading an application or not. Then go to the next fixes, reset the Microsoft Store, open Windows settings, choose app, installed apps, look for Microsoft Store, click on the three dots and click on advanced options. Now go down and click on repair and check whether your error code is resolved or not. If not, finally click on reset option. Now perform a clean boot. Go to Windows search, type msconfig, system configuration window will open. Here go to the services tab and check the box hide all Microsoft services and click on disable all. Thereafter go to the startup tab and make enable all the apps one by one. That's all.